So, welcome everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the topic tenses. So, what is tenses? Tenses is something which depicts time. So, the tenses are changes or additions to verb to show when the action took place in the past, present and future. Though the phrasal verb tense is also used for grammatical aspects, which add more detail about the duration or time an action takes us. So, when you combine the four grammatical aspects in the past, present and future, you end up with 12 main tenses in English. So, the tense, verb tenses are essential for speaking English correctly, but with all the different forms of functions, they can get confused. So, the tenses show when an action took place as well as how long it occurred. The main verb tenses are the past, present and future. So, there are also additional aspects that give extra details, such as the length of time the action occurred, which action happened first, or whether a past action has an impact on the present. So, these aspects are explained in the tenses, and these grammatical aspects are the simple tense, perfect tense, continuous tense and perfect continuous tenses. So, and if you see how many tenses are there in English, so the standard English is the standard tenses in English is the present tense, past tense and future tense. So, which is usually 3, and however for each of the past, present and future tense there are 4 different aspects to add additional details. So, for example, the continuous tense shows that an action is ongoing, and it can be used in the present, like she is sleeping, in the past she was sleeping, and in the future she will be sleeping. So, the past, present and future tenses are the central division of time in English. So, the present represents action happening now, while the past represents action that happened earlier, and the future describes action that will happen later. So, going on to the next, moving on to the next slide. So, simple tense. So, we will discuss about simple tense. The simple tense is a grammatical aspects that refers to the normal form of the past, present and future. So, there is this is the easiest form and have very few rules. So, if you see in the slide, you can see the simple form of the present, past and future, where it has very less form of rules. So, that is in simple present, if you take, we add yes or es with the main verb. For example, the sun rises in the east. Okay. So, it is a universal truth where you cannot change. So, most of the sentences that is in simple present are universal truth, or the things that are habituals and so on. So, those words will always be in simple present and very often used form of sentences simple present. And if you come to the past, simple past, so we use the second form of verb, whereas the word that is eat, if I take the verb eat, so I can use it in simple past, like I ate pizza yesterday. Yes. So, the direct past tense of the root word eat we use in the simple form. Yes. So, in future tense we add will or shall with the first form. So, I will eat. Yes, I will eat pizza tomorrow. Yes. So, the simple form of all these 3 tenses is very easy, and the rules are very less.